How to activate Airalo Esim on Android. To activate any SIM from Airalo, you typically follow some steps. Make sure your Android device supports eSIM functionally. Most modern Android smartphones offer eSIM support, but it's always good to double check. Visit the Airalo website or download the Airalo app to purchase an eSIM plan. Follow the instructions provided to select and purchase the plan. After purchasing the eSIM plan, you will receive an activation code or QR code via email. Make sure to have this code ready for the activation process. On your Android device, go to Settings. Look for the options related to mobile networks. Look for an option to add an eSIM profile. Enter the activation code provided by Airalo. Make sure to enter it accurately. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.